I personally think that, unfortunately I have to say that many of the European governments, they know about the threat, but they don't do enough in order to cope with the threat. And we are not willing to pay that amount of money that is necessary in order to guarantee that our critical infrastructure is being safe enough and then can kept in order, and we will be in a position whenever something happens to get back on track again early enough. And so what we try to do is to make the people in government, in all areas of government, that means the defense area as well as the security area, being aware of what has to be done. And what we try to do is that we bring in industry and government speakers from, let me say, the most educated countries in order to teach our people here what they have to do. Not to be misunderstood, we have some really leading nations in Europe as well, but they are not necessarily the biggest and the richest one. I'm a German. I personally have to confess, I do know that Germany is maybe one of the richest countries in Europe, but unfortunately, we are not one of the countries that are far way ahead on the way of cyber awareness and cyber security. As a matter of fact, all the world is going, cloud is everywhere. And if you know, and then I'm honest again to say that we had the problems in the European arena with the NSA actions from the USA. And we have a different perspective in the USA and in Europe. In Europe, the private sphere is of much higher importance than you regard it in the United States. And so that makes a difference. And whatever you look for platform-based systems, the Europeans definitely will look that it is not based in any other country. It's based in the country where you need the solution. And whenever there's a cloud, and it only goes with the cloud to have big solutions, then you have to write the protection against any intrusion. And that is something what Palo Alto, for example, is providing, because you are far away on this way with the future firewalls and that kind of prevent from intrusion. And that's what we have to learn. And that's why we are very happy to have Palo Alto being presented here at Techno Europe, together with all the others that might present similar solutions, but we need the best ones. Our mobile is in. You can't do without mobile anymore. And this is true in all areas of applications. It's in the military field, and I'm a former general, we talk about the last mile. And it's the soldier itself, and it's here in the field, he indeed is a portable, because he needs all the information that he has on a portable and has to have this device. And it has to be secured, because if it will be compromised by an aggressor, what kind of ever, terrorist or regular armies, then he is wrong. And so we have to invest in this, and we do that. But we do that step by step, and maybe not intensively enough. I personally think that we have to discuss intensively when we look back on our common time for more than 50 years within NATO, securing peace, that we have to work out what does it mean if there's an attack against one nation as we had it in Estonia. Is that an Article 5 attack or not? And if yes, who might be the aggressor? And I think this is the key topic at all.